Hello students, and welcome again to lesson 3 in the probability unit, and this lesson is going to be about tree diagrams. Just as before, a few vocabulary terms you'll need to know. Tree diagram is one, and tree diagrams are useful for describing relatively small sample spaces and computing probabilities, as well as for visually why the number of outcomes can be extremely large. So it is a visual aid basically to check out the outcomes of possible scenarios. An event is another term you'll need to know. And an event is any collection of outcomes of an experiment. Compound events are any events which consist of more than one outcome. And finally, a two-way table. This is another visual tool that is useful for examining relationships between categorical variables. So if we had, it's kind of like a tree diagram, it's just a table way of looking at the same data. If you need to stop or pause the video in order to finish jotting down the definitions in your guided notes, feel free to do so. Okay, the first thing we're going to look at is how to actually make a tree diagram, and then we will look at how to use it to find probabilities. So making a tree diagram, example 1. And in this example, we are in a real-world situation where you will be ordering a fruit smoothie. You have your choice of small, medium, or large smoothie, and you can include one of the following fruits, either strawberries, bananas, or oranges. And so we want to know how many different choices of smoothie do we have. So if we start our tree diagram, and this is one that runs horizontally, they can also run vertically, but we start our